Nash County, southeastern Warren County, northern Edgecombe County, Halifax County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Littleton to 14 miles west of Halifax to 10 miles east of Lewisburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke Rapids, Halifax, Scotland Neck, Dorches, Littleton, Red Oak, Enfield, Weldon, Whitakers, and Hobgood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued till 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Halifax, Nash, and Warren. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards
So that just came out of nowhere.